In this video, we're going to talk about Steller and give some price predictions for the future. Disclaimer. Also, if you want to have a lifetime 10% discount on all trading fees on Binance, then click in the link in the description. Unfortunately, there won't be much news and announcements regarding Steller in this video. However, the following link in the description that leads to my Telegram channel has much more information about all altcoins and price predictions literally every hour. Grayscale adds $2.5 billion in XLM, Link, BAT, Mana, and other altcoins. Grayscale Investments, a subsidiary of Digital Currency Group led by Barry Silbert, has announced that it purchased $2.5 billion in digital currencies in a single day, and as of now, it holds $45 billion worth of crypto. These are altcoins. However, analytics data shows that the company has been dumping Bitcoin and Ethereum and other currencies as well. Net assets under management, holdings per share, and market price per share of our investment products. Total AUM, $45 billion. Alright, so now let's jump straight to the price analysis and prediction. XLM's price is attempting to recover the 43% decline, but the weekly technicals coverage with a bearish bias recommending a patient approach. XLM's price chart shows little room for failures. At the April 23rd low, Steller was down over 40%. The Daily Relative Strength Index reached a similar oversold reading as the December 2020 low and far more oversold than the January and February lows. Ever since, the Steller price action has been reluctant and supported by below-average volume, suggesting a lack of conviction, particularly compared to what has transpired with other cryptocurrencies. From a weekly perspective, the technical mix reveals a digital token teetering on the edge of another major sell-off. For one, the bearish momentum divergence of the weekly RSI at the price highs was a cautionary flag for the bullish speculators as it marked a lack of impulsiveness accompanying the rally. The inability of Steller to hold weekly gains above the 361.8% extension of the 2019 to 2020 bear market and the subsequent resistance produces another challenge for the altcoin. Reinforcement for the bearish outlook is that the weekly moving average convergence divergence indicator is one price drop away from triggering a macro sell signal. It would be the first time since September 2020. The downside target is the rising trend line beginning in November 2020, and it is currently sitting at 34 cents, representing a decline of almost 30% from the price at the time of writing. Some support will materialize at the 10-week simple moving average at 44 cents and possibly the 100-day SMA at 42 cents. A failure to hold the rising trend line will knock Steller down to the February low of 31 cents. On a 4-hour chart, a head and shoulders bottom may be unfolding, raising the potential for a bull trap before the Steller price evacuation. If the head and shoulders bottom evolves into more than a trap, the first target is the April high at 69 cents, slightly above the 461.8 extension of the 2019 to 2020 bear market. At that point, market speculators could evaluate the potential for higher prices. By the way, if you're wondering, where do you buy XLM? You can follow the links in the description and additionally get extra discounts. But note that I'm not forcing you to invest in this project. It's 100% your personal decision. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel. It has every update of most popular altcoins every hour. Same situation with the price predictions. Don't forget to check out more videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.